we have added Acoustic Sunburst Deluxe, but it is not showing in kontakt player because Sunburst Deluxe library license is associated with other file, which is most probably East West Quantum Leap RA. East West Quantum Leap RA. That's why you have to go to in Mac library, application support, native instruments, service center, and you have to delete this East West Quantum Leap RA, and you won't be able to use this, or you have to make the other license because East West Quantum Leap RA license and Sunburst Deluxe acoustic license are same. That's why it is problem. If I delete the XML file in Windows, it is also the same. You have to delete the East West Quantum Leap RA XML file. You have to delete. Just I am deleting this, and now I am just reloading the kontakt player. And it's now okay. The only reason is that East West Quantum Leap RA license and Acoustic Sunburst Deluxe license are same. That's why it's not showing in kontakt player.